Man, weather's changing. How you guys all doing today? So right now I'm going to be opening up the door here like that right there. Oh, I guess I left those keys there plugged in. I'm going to check this right here. That one went flying. So that goes in there just like that. Well, that one's in there now. That one's over there. I gotta go grab it. Gotta love power locks. Just unlocked it. Lock it back up. Alrighty. So in this video, buddy at work actually had one of these things here, and if you guys look up that number right there on Napa's website, Napa actually carries these things. Also, if you want, there's the Motorcraft number. What is that? That looks like Delta 2 Alpha Bravo 13350 Alpha Alpha. You guys see that? Motorcraft. So if you want to get that one right from Motorcraft, that is a Napa number. You can find that 552, and then that is the Motorcraft number. So I'm just going to pop this one here on the back side here and just make sure everything's working. All right, got my trusty old light to go that. Go ahead. See how well this truck starts up today. Let's sit for a couple of days. Oh, unlock it. Hold on. You know, it actually helped if I had the right key in. I had actually the door key in. She starts a lot better when she's cold. And that check engine light should pop on here. There it is. All right, so hazard lights. Yep, they're working. Okay, blinkers. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Nice speed too, actually. I like that. Yeah, so that's blinking nice and fast. Totally out of sync. It's like I said in the other video. When that thing's on, it's off on the camera. When it's on the camera, it's off in real life. Funny thing, eh? Come around the front. Yeah, it's a nice blinker speed. I like that actually. I turn all my lights on with the hazards. And it's funny, I got the camera down low so you can see the interior light on. But yeah, they actually flash at a nice pace. I like that. I haven't seen them on for a while because of the fact that, you know, somebody stole the flasher out of my truck while I was parked up at my mechanic's. But yeah, that's good. All my lights are working. All my license plate lights are working. So there's another thing for safety. That's all good. Like I said, oh look, that light right there was out. See, I still don't have, like, my high beams are flicking on. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I imagine you just see it, but my high beam light doesn't come on. Turn the lights off. So yeah, so my high beam light, see, I'm flicking it forward. So even if I flash it back, which flashes the lights, it's not working there. You can see it on the car across the street there. You watch this plate. So watch. So you can see me flashing. But when I flash, I don't get the high beams. So that's something else I've got to fix. For sure. Figure out what's going on with that. Get the key out. Let's put this cover back on. I want to thank my colleague at work for giving me that. Now, I did find, like I said, on Napa's website. Oh, wait, look at that. I can actually, here we go. Let's go all the way out. So, I actually did find on Napa's website the part number, so 558 whatever, right? And also, with that being said, I actually used Google's reverse search on the image that I took of it, and I was able to find it on Granger's website. So I ordered two from Granger, and they were actually at my house today, but Purelator, for some reason, doesn't like to drop things at my house. I have no idea why. Everybody else does, but every once in a while, I get one from Purelator, and anytime I do, I got to pick it up somewhere else. So Purelator was at my house today, but because I was at work, it couldn't happen. So that sucks. I have 2 brand new ones coming. Like the odds of them ever going on me, but I thought for what it's worth, and they're not necessarily really hard to find, but they're getting old for sure. So I wanted to get those installed. So that being said, here as I walk back into my little shed, garage, my workspace, which is kind of crowded, I'll cover that today. So this is just a short video for you guys. I just want to let you know that it's one step closer to getting this thing on the road. And it's funny that those dash lights are working, because I was getting ready to take that dash apart, except the high beam light. So I got to figure that one out. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. As always, peace, guys. Have a good one.